Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing and introduction of the A5 LFP rack battery. I'm the engineer presenting this video. Before we begin unboxing, please ensure that your environment meets the following requirements. Upon receiving the battery, first check that the packaging is intact. Only open the box after confirming there is no damage. Then, verify that all components are complete and undamaged according to the packing list. Package includes 1 user manual, 1 ground wire, 2 power cables, 1 red, 1 black, 2 communication network cable, 4 RJ45 crystal head, 16 mounting screws, 2 types, 1 grounding screw, 4 stacking brackets, 1 battery box. If any components are missing or damaged, please contact your dealer immediately. The A5 uses LiFePO4 cells, 1P16S, 51.2V nominal voltage, 5.12 kWh capacity. IP20 protection, floor/wall mountable. 50A recommended charge/discharge, max 100A, 0°C 50°C charging temp, 90% DOD natural convection cooling, no external cooling. Built-in BMS, overcharge/overdischarge/overcurrent/extreme temp protection, active balancing. Max 12 units parallel, greater than or equal to 2 units for greater than 5 kW loads, power on, close breaker hold round button 3s, LED flashes. RS-232 for setup, RS-485/CAN for inverters, app monitoring. SoC via L1, L6 LEDs, 5-year warranty. 15-year lifespan, fits off/on-grid/self-consumption setups.